Hi guys, welcome to VVRam Techtuts. Please subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will learn C tokens keywords. Keywords we cannot use as a keyword as an identifier in your C programs. It is reserved words in C library and used to perform an internal operation. The meaning and the working of these keywords are already known to the compiler. These are the keywords uh, like double. It is the type of the integer. It is also and it is the integer type, and whereas the else is used in the programmings like if programs and for programs and while, and switching also used in the programs to switch from one condition to other condition, whereas the return gives the value of the from whether it is executed successfully or not. If it returns a 0, the program is successfully executed. If the any other number is given, it is not executed. Okay, the float indicate the value in the form of decimals, that means 1.0, and after that if they are in the point value represented, it is known as the float. We already know we will see the for and do, and these are the programming long to represent the programs, and to apply conditions we will use that. We will see the later these these conditions and about these keywords, and continue if the condition is okay, then we'll go with the continue command. The char is used to indicate the character, that means alphabetically A, B, C, and this type of, and we will see the all these keywords in the later classes, and each and every thing. And here see void is nothing but the nothing to, that means it do nothing in our main program. Okay, static means it does not change any value. If condition means if it is like whether condition is that means particular value is there, then it will have to do that one. However, we will see in the next class what in the further classes, and how the each keyword work, and what will perform their task. Okay. Next. Okay, see here, if we see here, it is the include stdio.h. Stdio.h is nothing but the header of our programming language. This is the predefined library in C, and these are standard input output is already known to the compiler about this library and what to perform. Okay, it is the main function, it is the main function of the program. That means the program will be executed within the main function only. Okay, here if we see, it is the integer type we are representing variable. It is the int is the keyword, and a is the variable we are representing that. In the any value stored in the a or the variable a, we are saying that that should be the data type should be in it, and we are asked to print just what the value showing in this bracket in the within the quotates, and we also asked to return the value 0 if it is executed successfully. That means we are not doing anything, just we are doing only printing our what we are represented within the quotates. Okay, let us jump to our lab session. If we see here, we already discussed there, and our program is the saved as mm, okay. If we see here, our program is we saved it as a file t keywords.c. Okay, and here if you see, it is the we all what we have written in that before, that is copied here within this. And if we see here, once it we are magnified here, if we want to compile our program, we use the F9 shortcut. If we want to run our program, then we use the F10. If we want to do both compile and run, then we will use F11 button key. Okay, why we need compile? That means whenever we want to compile our program, that higher level language is compiled to the executable file. So that means the file will be higher language. Keywords are the that will turns into binary language ones and zeros. That means the machine can understand the ones and zeros. Okay, once it compiled, it will run our executable files to perform to perform our task by the machine by using F10 keyboard. Okay, let us see F9. Keep in mind that to compile F9, to run the program F10, to compile and run at a time we will use F11. Okay, now we will press F9. Okay, or if you are not aware of that one, just press here compiled. Okay, if we see here, we are using what I want to convey, we will convey later that one. Compiling results, see it errors is 0 and warnings is 0. The location of the file is users VVRam desktop clang folder, and my file name is here showing c keywords t keywords dot exe. Okay, here is the output size of the execute file, 101 kilobytes. Okay, compilation time is 2.34 seconds. And here we are using that IDE is that dev C++. Okay, now we have to run this program, right? Run F10, or you go here execute and click on run. If you see here, our we printed our task is this one. What this print my keyword are used, this is printed, right? We ask to just print this sentence only, that is printed. The process executed in the 0.09 seconds, and written the value is 0. That means our program is successful. Okay, key value is 0. Okay, that is the way we can do our programs to perform. And see here. On this program, what we have done is that the int and the return are the keywords. We already seen that the int is used to declare variables. What we do, it is done that it declare variables integer, and return, what it did, that it used to return an integer type. It returns integer type. What is it? Return 0 or any other value. 0 means successful and any other value means it is fail or program. This is only we have done before. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to our channel.